Hi, I'm Paul Steinbrook with Skyway Web Design and Marketing. Thanks for watching this SEO Frequently Asked Questions video. In this video, I'm going to answer the big question. What is SEO? To start, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And search engine optimization is all of the tasks involved with making a website rank highly in the search engines for relevant search queries, also known as keywords. Why do we do this? So that more people will see the search listings for a website, click on those search listings, and go to the website. Now, there are many aspects to SEO, and if I were to explain all of them in depth, this would be a really long video. So what I'm going to do for you is I am going to list the 7 aspects of SEO, and then I'm going to follow this video up with future videos that will explain each of these 7 aspects in greater detail. All right? So to start, there is technical SEO. These are the technical tasks involved in making sure a website can be read by the search engines, and also things like page speed and core web vitals, which also impact search rankings. Second aspect of SEO is keyword research. This is doing the research and choosing the keywords that will bring the most people to a website and the right people to the website who are interested in what you're doing. The third aspect to SEO is on-page optimization. This is the optimization or the changes to the website itself which will improve search rankings. Then there is link building. This is getting other websites to link to your website, which also helps to improve search rankings. Next, we've got content marketing. This is creating articles, videos, and other content that ranks well in search engines and brings even more people to your website. Sixth, there is local SEO. This is really important for local organizations and local businesses to help them to rank well in the maps search engines and also in the local packs, which show up in the search results. And last but not least, we've got reporting, monitoring, and maintenance. These are the ongoing SEO tasks that help you to evaluate how your SEO is going, and also the monitoring of your website and search rankings to see if there's been any changes that might negatively impact your search rankings, and then making adjustments to counteract those things. So these are the 7 aspects to SEO. It's really important that you understand these, because as you're talking with SEO companies and you're getting SEO proposals, every proposal is going to be a little bit different. So it's important to understand what each proposal includes, which of these 7 elements are included, and what their approach is to these 7 elements, so that you can make an informed decision about the SEO company you choose to work with and the SEO plan that you choose. All right, well, that's enough for this video. As I said, we're going to follow up and go more in depth on each of these 7 elements in future videos. But if you've got any questions, feel free to post them in the comments or email us, support@skywayweb.com. And if you would like better search rankings for your website, more people coming to your website so that you can grow your company or local organization, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us. Again, it's support@skywayweb.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.